Excuse me? How much do you pay for rent in Canberra?
Pay for $150 per week.
Would you mind showing us your house?
Yeah, of course. So this is the house which had lived with two of my classmates. This is my room.
Oh, so you're still studying?
Yeah, I'm studying at NU.
So what major?
I'm studying Master of International Relations.
Whoa.
And I'm going to graduate soon. So yeah, welcome. Nice
Oh my
to catch up with you.
god!
Yeah.
It's a very cozy space and it's
Yeah.
centralized. Yeah, very well. I love that toy.
That is my birthday gift.
Oh my god.
From my friends.
Oh, so it's your working desk here. So how many rooms in this house?
So basically there are 3 rooms.
The big bedroom?
The main bedroom, and there are 2 other bedrooms.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this is the toilet?
Yeah, this is toilet.
And
This is our bathroom. So they are separated.
Oh,
Yeah.
very good.
Yeah. And this is our kitchen. We
Oh.
found our kitchen truly big.
Yeah,
and,
it's a huge space here.
Yeah.
So do you always cooking?
Yeah, we often cook together.
And this is the cleaning space.
Yeah.
Cleaning space and
The fridge.
Woo!
And this is our backyard. This is quite loud. We often dry our clothes outside.
Is
Yeah.
kangaroo going to be here at night?
Yeah. So this is a little whiteboard which we often write down our things. We are going to buy it from the grocery shops. And also visit so that's all for today. So, thank you.
Want to see more? Follow us on Trusted Realtors Canberra, your property concierge.